Let's check out this 80s classic at Unique, especially in classics. Street rotted pickup, 1986 Chevrolet. Regular cab short box. Stepside 2, as you can see. 350, 5.7 liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 700R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, AC, so nicely equipped. This one's made to drive out, get in it, turn the key and have some fun. Look at the bright work up front, from the bumper to headlight surrounds, grille, that chrome bow tie. This truck's got the look. Look at the blue metallic paint. It shows well. Take a look at all the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. We'll check out all the pics. 507-386-1726, number to call. More modern slotted wheels, center caps. It is front disc brakes, so power disc brakes up front. Cowl hood, that is steel, that is not glass, which you can tell by how nicely it fits. And again, look at how that paint shows. Beautiful blue metallic. Let's take a look down the passenger side. Free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Black vinyl interior, bench seat, tilt column. Interior looks as good as the exterior in this one. And this one definitely looks as good in person as it does the pictures in the video. Nice tight fitting vinyl soft tonneau cover. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. In the bed, there is also a, how do I want to explain it, like the air dam that would be down below the front of this vehicle. There's a replacement one. Last one got a little cracked up, what have you. And rather than put it on and risk something happening in transportation, the bolts, nuts, everything to put it on is in a little box in the bed. You're going to see that in the still pictures. And if you look in the still pictures, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's that air down from underneath the front of the vehicle. That will come with it. Again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. So we take a look down the driver's side. Again, you can see how well the paint shows. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. I believe it was Flowmasters. This one had. You'll be able to see in the still pictures on the underneath, Hedman headers. When we pop the hood, let you see the engine bay. And stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this truck out, take her for a spin, let you see how it drives out, goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Power windows, power locks. Again, tilt column. Bench seat, vinyl in good shape. I'm not noticing any rips, tears, holes. Looks good. Top of the dash, also nice shape, not weather checked, sun baked, cracked, anything like that. Headliner also looking good. Aftermarket stereo on this one also. I believe it was a Clarion. AM, FM, CD player. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. Good sounding truck. Stereo is in working order. Aftermarket gauges, oil pressure, water temp, also working. Wow, listen to this one. How nicely that door closes and fits. There's a little rumble coming out of that one. This one will definitely turn some heads. The way it sounds and the way it looks. And if you are a blue fan, you gotta love this truck. that open, check out the engine bay. Underside of the hood, nice flat black finish. There you can see the headers, Hedman headers, power steering, power brakes, AC, 350 Chevy small block. Little dress up on that engine. Chrome valve covers, 4-barrel carb, HEI ignition. Good looking engine bay too. Look at how smooth that runs. Engine's not even moving. Stick around to the very end and see how this one goes down the road. 1986 Chevrolet Street Ride pickup. Regular cab, short box, Stepside. It's got the look. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1986 Chevrolet C10. Very nice blue paint on this truck. We've got headers. Sounds really good. This truck is lowered a little bit. Very nice acceleration in this truck. Aftermarket steering wheel feels good on the hands. We've got some finger indents back here. Steering wheel is cocked a little to the side. That doesn't affect the performance at all. Our speedometer is working. Fuel gauge is showing between 1/2 and 3/4. Underneath the ashtray here we have some gauges. Oil pressure showing almost 50 psi and water about 180, 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Our battery is charging on the factory gauge over 14. That's all looking good. We have a radio in the dash by Clarion.
One romantic partner at the same time.
That's working well. Dash cover makes this look brand new. Comfortable black vinyl bench seat in this truck. The brakes are working really well. Got that cowl induction hood on a square body truck. It's a very classic look. Really fun to get on the throttle in this truck. She accelerates very nicely. Smooth ride on the highway. If I let go of the wheel, this truck stays right where you put it. It's not pulling to either side. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.